and today I'm here to talk about a piece of advice, and that is never give up. Often when we work on something important and we feel like that it is gonna change our future or something.
Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon everyone. Now I describe a rainy day. There are 6 seasons. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Assesment and today my topic about suddenly started raining. 2 years ago, some of my friends and me were playing.
Today my topic is it was really a sunny and hot day. In my opinion, sunny and hot day is really so hot, and I does not like.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Saimata Basim Shorna. Today I will talk about I met Mr. Trump and what will I ask him. So I asked him, I hear you love fast food because you trust the brands.
I saw a little child who was crying at the corner on the road. I wanted to know the reason why he was crying. I called him.
The subject I hate most is physics. Physics is my unfavorite subject. I never like it. There are some reasons why I don't like it. While standing on the road waiting for the signal to turn green light. When I was so, I just see jar nuggets is here, and I just cook it, and I'm really hungry. And thank you everyone.
And of course it is a big money, so I can keep this money with me. So I would like to give all of my money to my mom.
Always I try to win, but my friend always give me yellow color and I always lose the game. After few days ago, my father gives me yellow t-shirt, and after that I went out.
Good moment of my life. I am seeing the beauty of nature.
Dogs are lazy too. In my street there are tons of dogs. But
then my father booked a 5-star hotel room at the restaurant.
When I get sick in present, I try to get relief in my past days memory of my father. Once upon a time, I am going through 3 days Jamaat, and my father was very sick. And that time, I also prayed for my father. When he was snow, I prayed for him. He literally cried.
As I think last month, I got a keyboard from my friend. It was a mechanical keyboard, and it was quite expensive because it was WhatsAppable and red switches. And red switch is so much rare in Bangladesh. We have to import from various countries, and I got it so much well.
Make my own evening snacks by myself. So that's why I learned to cook. My mom teach me how to cook actually. So my best dish is noodles. I love eat noodles, and I can make noodles so better. So yeah, that's how I make my best dish. And
so now I'm talking about that why I'm best. Everyone is special. They have many special talent. Especially sports, I do much better than study. There are many kinds of sports like football, handball, volleyball.
Evening time, I met a school friend. His name is Ausar Ahmed Ruman. He was really cool. He does not know English. He does not know any subject, how to read and write.
And I asked him why. So he replied that earthquake was happening, so I come out.